Dear friends, good evening. I am Dr. R.K. Janamani. Welcome all of you for this weekly weather discussion. And during this discussion, we will discuss the significant weather for last 1 week till 24th August and the forecast for next 2 weeks. Friends, during last 1 week, the weather has been very severe and we have extremely heavy rainfall occurring over central India and one day over Himachal and Uttarakhand. So mainly the active vigorous monsoon spell observed over central India, as I was telling, and extremely heavy rainfall spell occurred also. This was mainly because a system emerged from the South Myanmar coast and it became a low pressure over Northeast Bay on 18th August and intensified into a deep depression and then into a deep depression and cross West Bengal coast, North Odisha, close to Digha on 19th evening by 7:30 p.m. around. And then we came over South Jharkhand as a depression. And right from South Jharkhand, it moved up to East Rajasthan as a depression across Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, a long distance and for a long period, 18 to 23. And when such an intense system moves, it keeps the monsoon trough south of the normal position, and it also caused very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall. And friends, as you know that during the August, this is the third depression moving actually. If we see the earlier also two depression moved, and as a result, there were already the rain excess along the belt, and the rivers were full. So this week on by 22nd or 23rd, Odisha has extremely heavy rainfall on 18, 21 August, and like that day after day, as the system moved, Madhya Pradesh got 20 August to 23rd August, and East Rajasthan during 21, 23 August. All these dates are extremely heavy rainfall date over the respective states or meteorological subdivision. And on the last stage of the depression, West Rajasthan and Gujarat got. And as a result, as I was telling, there was a huge flood. It caused flash flood. It caused also riverine flood. Worst affected were the Odisha and then Madhya Pradesh also. And Bhopal reported extremely heavy rainfall spell on 21 to 23rd. Very heavy also occurred. And then urban severe urban flooding was there and lives were affected. And if we see the Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh on 19th night also got extremely heavy rainfall up to 200 to 330, 340 millimeter, and as a result also that part reported, the river and flooding and fast flood, and also there are live lost. And if we see the forecast or outlook for next week, now the depression has weakened and already on 23rd, and today it is just a low pressure over South Pakistan. So there has been significant rainfall reduction over central India and Rajasthan and Gujarat. Hardly any rain is occurring. So if we see the forecast next 2 weeks, the rainfall over northwest central India will continue to subdue, where there is no system is forming and monsoon trough will move north and disorganize. So there is a chance that it will lead to the commencement of the withdrawal of southwest monsoon in the week 2 from northwest India. However, the northeast India and eastern India and Bihar will continue to get heavy or very heavy rainfall, particularly in northeast India next 3 to 4 days. And in the week 2 also, part of this area will get the rain. Coming to the main system, mainly because we have earlier to this week, during 18 to 23rd, the low pressure, the earlier of which it moved as a depression, its remnant became less mark over southeast South Pakistan. And then the fresh low pressure, when it formed on 18, it became a depression on 19, and 19 evening it crossed. You can see the area or it was initially close to Digha cross, then it was Jamshedpur, then Umaria, then near Guna, and then come up to Kota. And initially the monsoon trough, the first half was the western end towards the north or foothills. It came down as the depression moved. During second half, it was mostly south or across the central India. Then towards the end of the week, that is from 22nd, we have space circulation forming over northeast way moving to Jharkhand. It also has given the rainfall. And a feeble WD was there during 20 to 24. It has not caused much interaction. So northwest India got subdued rainfall, particularly Punjab, Haryana. Rajasthan, South Rajasthan got from the system actually. Coming to the track of the deep depression, one can see 19 morning it became a depression, it moved and crossed the West Bengal Odisha coast near Digha, and then moved, as I was telling, across Jharkhand, North Chhattisgarh, and almost North MP through like Umaria, and then something like Guna it reached, and then at Kota it dissipated. So if we see all along the track, this state has received very heavy rainfall. I will not read, but some of the value, if you see, like it start from 20 August, Digha received 18 centimeter, Odisha like Bhogarai got extremely heavy rain 23, even Ramgarh like Jharkhand, Jamshedpur 14 centimeter, next day 21, this Vaniyagarh and then Ambodola 10 centimeter over Odisha, West MP Chandari 15 centimeter, East MP Channodi 17 centimeter. And if we add the system moves further west northwestward along central India, so all these areas, East MP and West MP, they got extremely heavy rainfall almost both on 21, 22 and 22, 23. Then East Rajasthan also got on 21, 22 and 22, 23, and West Rajasthan start getting heavy rain, very heavy rainfall on 22, 23rd. And if we see some of the value like Jairapur on 23rd, like West Madhya Pradesh, like Rakogada, Chachoda, and Lateri. So more than 200 millimeter. On 24th, Gujarat region, Maisana got 20 centimeter. West Rajasthan, Jalora, Ranimal, 14 centimeter. And as I was telling, on 19th night, there was a extremely heavy rainfall spell over Uttarakhand with Rishikesh, 29 centimeter. Then something like Himachal Pradesh getting the extremely heavy rainfall. Kangra Airport, 34.4 centimeter. Dharamshala, 33. Mandi, Joginder Nagar 21, Bilaspur, Naina Devi 18 centimeter. Coming to the rainfall during the week, if we take cumulative during 18 to 24 August, the northern India, the Indo-Gangetic plains, continue to get deficient and scanty rainfall because the systems are moving along the central India, monsoon trough remaining south of the normal position. However, the central India got the normal to excess rainfall except Chhattisgarh some deficient, and parts of central peninsula, most part got deficient scanty rainfall. If we see total in the season, that is from 1 June till yesterday 24 August, the picture is almost we can see large part of India getting excess or normal, except only around 6 subdivision, that is Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, and then in Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura getting deficient rainfall. So this remains the deficient belt, as you know that this area is the main paddy or rice cultivation. So they have been affected actually. And if we see the region wise and all India rainfall during the week managed to get normal because of the system, and we have 54.5 is the normal, we got 55 millimeter. And if you see season as a total, it is continue to be above normal, plus 9%. Normal is 65 millimeter, and the actual was 65 centimeter, and actually is 70.8 centimeter. And if we see region Northeast India or East and Eastern India, they got minus 29% in a week and continue to get near deficient. However, the other part, if we see like Central India and South Peninsula, they got excess rainfall. There has been good rainfall distribution. Northwest India is normal. Coming to the prediction from our extended range multimodal ensemble system, we can see actually the rain has been significantly likely to reduce in week 1 over Rajasthan, subdued rainfall. Week 2 also it is showing, and further Northwest India it is spreading. And if we see the departure from normal, main rainfall, some rain over South Peninsula and Northeast, large part of India is getting normal or below normal. And week 2 we can see further reduction of the rainfall, but peninsular India, Maharashtra likely to get rainfall. And if you see the synoptic system as it is on today, the cyclonic circulation of Jharkhand is there. It will move towards central parts of April and weaken by next 3 days. The WD will move away by tomorrow. Monsoon trough will also move northward because no more system is there. Bay of Bengal, nothing is there and nothing likely to form also. And a circulation is there over South Tamil Nadu, interior Tamil Nadu, South interior Tamil Nadu. If you see the prediction, because there is no major system, only over Jharkhand is there, which will move to the central parts of UP. So heavy rainfall will just heavy rainfall over Uttar Pradesh and then mainly over East MP and Chhattisgarh we have predicted. And also Northeast India we have predicted heavy rainfall, lightning or thunderstorm. But there is no orange warning. Only on 27th very heavy rainfall we have predicted Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Large part of India is not having any severe weather warning. coming to the week 2, if we see week 1, that will continue actually. There will be no major heavy rainfall over plains of India except eastern and northeastern states. And coming to the week 2, as I was telling that this subdued rainfall in week 2 will continue over northwest and central India, and that's why we are predicting that conditions are likely to become favorable for commencement of withdrawal of southwest monsoon from some parts of northwest India during the week 2. And however, some scattered fairly widespread rainfall likely over South Peninsula, East Northeast India during most day of the week. Rainfall activity is likely to be below normal over Northwest and Central India, as I was telling. And rainfall activity is likely to be normal, ever normal over South Peninsula, near normal over East and Northeast India. Friends, if we see the cyclogenesis part, there is no chance of anything low pressure or precipitation form over North Indian Ocean, both over Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea during next 2 weeks. However, some indication GFS is showing some cyclone circulation over Southwest Bay of Tamil Nadu coast on 3rd August and will move next 3 days towards Kerala coast. So that we have to see. And friends, that's all about the discussion. I will request that you continue to get our information from different apps of IMD like Mosum app for location specific forecast and warning, Damini app for lightning alert, Megdut for agro advisory service. And please continue to get update from our website mosum.imd.gov.in. Please follow us in various social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Please visit YouTube for our weekly weather video and also blog. Also, please look at also. Thank you. Thank you very much for patient hearing. Thank you.